know, your face should be smiling and nice. Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
I am Veena Patil, okay, the regional coordinator for India Spell Bee. Okay, you are going to appear for the first level, that is the school level contest of India Spell Bee. You all are prepared?
Yes.
Very well?
Yes.
That's good. Anyone of you are scared or tensed? Fifth standard? No, no? Spellings. Playing with spellings is a very easy game, yes or no? So after this level, the students who will get selected will participate in the regional level, and that will be online. Means you will be sitting in front of the computer and the exam paper will be on the computer. Okay, so that doesn't mean that today when you finish this exam, your exam is finished from spell bee. No. Which is the last level? That is the national level. Okay, that will be in the month of April or May. Your parents, your school will get the intimation about that. The regional level will be somewhere in the month of March or April. The intimation for that will also be get for your school and even to your parents. We will intimate them. Okay, I will now read out few rules. They are the common rules because you are students, yes or no? And in exams, in schools and everywhere, what rules are there? The same rules are here. Only the thing in the writing part, you have to write it in capital letters. Okay, I'll just show you some rules. So good morning students, teachers, we welcome to the India Spelling Bee contest. Give yourself a big hand. There are 3 levels of this contest and this is the school level. The rules are very simple and easy. Rules. All questions have to be attempted. That means what? Whatever questions are there, you are going to attempt all the questions. Don't leave any option blank. Okay? There is no negative marking. What do you mean by negative marking? Okay, means deduction of mark or something like that. 1/4 is deducted. Okay, something like that. It's not there. Each correct answer gets 1 mark. Okay, means the questions, whatever questions are there, each question is having how many marks?
1 mark.
Anyone found to be cheating or assisting someone means helping. Assist means what? Help. You should not look here and there. Even if they are calling you for pencil, eraser, whatever. Somebody, if you have any problem, like your pen is not working or something, just raise your hand. We are here to help you. You are not going to call up your friends. Okay. Someone to cheat will have her paper confiscated immediately and candidate will be disqualified. Okay? So please don't take a single chance of looking here and there for any sum. Your concentration should be on your paper only. Okay? Don't take a risk. Next, do not overwrite. What do you mean by overwrite? Suppose by mistake you wrote A and afterwards you realize no, it's not A, it's E. Okay, so again what you will do? You might erase it. Sometimes erasing of pen, okay, will not work out. And don't write with pencil because the papers are going to go to Calcutta in the bundle. So by friction, okay, of paper when they will attach, it might get slight this thing erased kind of thing. So use your pen only. So be sure before writing or attempting it. Okay, if you are not sure, skip that point for few seconds or few minutes. Okay, afterwards again come back to that question and be confirmed, be sure and write it. Okay, write clearly and in capital letters so that examiners can understand what you have written. Now here capital letters means what? You should not use the cursive writing capital letters. Simple times, Roman times, okay, capital letters. question carefully and then attempt the answer. Okay? Now, we will be giving you the question paper and you have to write the answers there itself. There will be no separate, what you can say, answer sheet or something. The options are given there only, the space. You will attempt the answers there itself. You will get total 20 minutes. The moment I will say start writing, from that moment I will see 20 minutes. At 18 minutes I will give you a warning that only 2 minutes are left. Understood? Once we distribute the question paper, do not start immediately until we tell you to start. Now I will be giving you the question paper. The moment you get the question paper, don't do anything until the
Third paper
next
started.
instruction.
Third period started.
Okay.
Five period is
Now I will be giving you the paper. Fifth standard, stand up. Fifth standard, stand up. Fifth standard. Take your pen.
Ma'am, this should be paused or let it be?
Fifth standard. Don't write anything. You can see the paper, but don't write anything. Check. Just check in this grade 3 class 4 and 5 is written. 4 and 5 means this paper is for standard 4 and 5. Okay? Extra. You are also fifth standard? Yes, ball pen, ink pen, no problem. Fifth standard beta. Now, 8th standard, stand up, 8th standard. 8th standard. Sixth standard. Standard 6th standard. Seventh standard, standard. Seventh standard. Pass to your friend also. Pass to your friend behind. Pass to your friend behind. It's not extra better, it's only one. Everyone got the paper? Yes? Now, have you all got your papers? Yes. Please fill in your details as mentioned. You should write in capital letters. What has been mentioned? First you write today's date. Write today's date. Everyone know what is the date today? 13th of January 2020. This for whole year, just don't keep a habit of writing 20 only. You should write 2020. Some might can add 2018 after the 20. Yes or no? So don't take that risk. You should write the full year. I am telling this. 2020 you should write. Right. After that you are going to write your full name in capital letter. Your name, your dad's name and your surname. The same name will come in your certificate. Yes, brother. Pen is not working. Anyone has Two pen, please help. Yeah. Give it fast. Give it. Afterwards, make sure you just pass the pen. Then write your class, your section, if you have sections A, B, whatever section. Okay. Then your roll number for your class. You know your roll number in your class. That roll number you are going to write. Your school full name. City, you write Kolhapur. Cut to that town. The word town, because we are from city, so cut that word town. Kolhapur you will write. State Maharashtra. Now phone number. First your dad's number, then slash and your mom's number. Okay? Two of them were absent from 6th standard or 7th standard.
No, 7th one and 6th one.
I'll just tell them to come and attend the exam at the center. If you are aware about or if you know about your parents' email ID, you can write it over there.
Write only one. Let it be one.
Finished everyone? So, are we all ready?
Yes.
Okay, write fast. This is sharp 9 now. Okay. All we ready? So give it your best and do well so that you can qualify and win the national finale for your school. Not required. If you know, then you write. Otherwise, you can leave that. So it's 9:1. Okay, 9:1 a.m. Start your paper.